Good morning, everybody. So it's another day today. So it's gonna be 4 days we're staying here because of typhoon Basyang. Okay, so pang-apat na namin ang araw na to. The problem is ubos na yung damit namin. So for the meantime, sabi ni Kuya Yol, dito daw kami mag-picnic sa labas. Okay, it's very exciting, you know.
This is literal.
We are preparing our table. Same time, nandito kami lahat. Better here kasi we are shading here partly. And di na siya masyadong mainit. Sasalitain natin yung may-ari dito. Kayol, anong latest ng bagyo? Naglandfall na?
Naglandfall na.
Si Kuya Yol is wala siyang pasok ngayon kasi it's weekend. So, fortunately, makapag-join siya sa atin ngayon. Lalo na sa ating break lunch time. Okay.
Kuha po yung variety, no? Kuha na kay Kuhan. Tamis na? Oo. Mo pala pagkuhan niya. Pagkamay kang puno na. Ang una, tignan ko dito pa, yes.
So, we are waiting for the munggos, lata na munggos.
Wala pa ni Siminto.
Si Yola. So, Birds, Jongjong, good morning. Okay, picnic tayo sa labas. Mamaya-maya siguro magsisit up si Kuya Yol ng swimming pool dito sa labas para makapag-pool naman tayo.
Wala. Nakita niya rin, wala niya kuha na.
Ada sila di balik. Sakyan na rin.
Ah,
Birds, Jongjong, murag ni gamay ka karon.
Gamay diyan.
Gamay ka karon. Kuya Jeffrey, murag ni gamay.
nag-walking.
Okay.
Bawal magpagamay ka rin, bawal ang fasting.
Saka na pagdating sa Davao. Ay, oh, dili lang. Okay, so here we go. Thank you. Sige. Go.
Pag-ibot mo kuya.
Go.
Sorry guys, we having a good time staying here with my cousins. They are very accommodating and we really do apologize that we just gave you this kind of setup, but this is good, very good enough. Tama na yun.
Okay. Since we've been staying here for a couple of days now, the problem is probably we don't have enough shelter. We don't have enough shirts. Wala na kaming mga may susuot. Kaya siguro hihiram na lang kaming dito.
Sorry for our t-shirt is already balik.
Nagpa-laundry man sila.
Yes.
Oh, kasi ba do?
We do have a laundry yesterday.
One man yan na pag Saturday kasi sarado na.
Yung panglakad lang namin ay sobra. Pero yung pangbahay ay kinulang kinapos.
Okay lang pong bahay.
Bahay
Na,
okay.
may mga kay dapo pa
It's
mo.
okay. We have good food here, outside. We have lechon. So we
Manok
have,
lang.
yes, this is very
Ako ay nadira
delicious.
ko palitin lechon di da nga kinilo.
lechon here in Tacloban.
You know, it's some kind of a unique experience right here. It's very relaxing. Hindi naman siya masyadong mainit. And
Makaon kami liwat guys kay ipon nga pagkakulok. Ma-season ulit kami itong premium nga.
premium
Tuba.
na Okay, so
Liwat.
evidently you can see outside. It's not raining anymore. The sun is dispersing outside. So meaning to say we are about to go home in a couple of hours now. Maybe it's tomorrow, by tomorrow Sunday. So we do have a schedule ahead of time. Because our cousin here is an officer of the PPA. So we can...
Kay Kuya Intoy.
Yeah. But we do have a schedule ahead of time. Okay, Ate Jackie, what can you say? Every day.
But thank you for all.
So we are almost gathered around the Tacloban city because of spare of times. Marlene is on.
Pray na naman na.
Pray ka.
Okay, done na ang aming food. Kuya Jeffrey is still eating.
Nakita na sa kuwan. Worldwide. Nationwide.
Nationwide. Hope Jo.
Artista na kita ini, narata sa YouTube.
Right, so after our meal or breakfast na dalang lunch na, ay session ulit sa ating very premium na inumin. Okay, so this time nandyan si Kuya Alan. Kararating lang sa kagaling Kuya Alan.
Nagkuha sundo ng kuhan apo ko.
Nagsundo ng apo. So si Kuya Alan ay ready na.
Pwede na.
Si Kuya Jeep ay ready na. At ready na ako. At ready na yan. Sure na. O yan. Mura lagi nagbugnaw ang kuwan. Bugnaw? Ay, ang pitsil lang. Okay. So, back again. Session again. Ganito dito sa Tacloban. Kung hindi kami uuwi nito ng isang taon, araw-araw kami magiinuman ng bahalina. Kasi dito lang meron yan. Dito lang masarap. Sa Davao, pag tinatanong tayo kung bibili ka ng bahalina, kung makapag-intay ba tayo, kasi gagawin pa nila. Dito automatic meron na.
Sir, makapag-antay ka ng 30 minutes, sir. Gagawa tayo lang.
Gagawa tayo. Pero wala namang problem. So there's nothing to worry about it kasi po ay bibigyan kanya ng diatabs. Freebies na yon.
Diatabs, baka naman dyan. May diatabs ko eh.
So again, it's another day today. Let's make our day.
A few moments later.
It's time for us to go again. Jeffrey, are you prepared? Alan, uban ka o uban ka?
Di ako mauban. Di ako pangko. Bantayan.
Hey, Jojo, always on the go. Let's go.
Kauban sila kit, mga
Oh,
bata.
nag-drive ra pud siya dito pud just tumoy.
Tumoy, yaman, tuyok siya pagkuhan.
As we move along into this bridge, it's not just a bridge, but it is San Juanico Bridge, the most iconic and most famous landmark here in the Philippines. Actually, it's not our first time to pass by here, but several times right now. If I'm not mistaken, way back the month of March, or shall I say April 2025, when we got home in Nueva Ecija, North Luzon, we're just passing by here also, and we find harder in that moment because there's a strict implementation of the traffic highway. The bridge is about to collapse, so they got to authorize only one light vehicle to pass by at a time. So, meaning to say, only light vehicle like we, private cars, and avoided heavy trucks or buses. So they got to wait to the other end of the bridge when the other one is moving along. So as a result, it causes heavy traffic that time. You can also review or watch again our video coverage at time. The title of that video is Davao to Luzon Travel by Land Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Alright, so there gotta be 3 episodes. You can also check out in our main channel. It's Don Istoy Pinoy Show. I hope you have to enjoy watching and you find yourself very informative when you get to travel by yourself also, okay? So for the meantime, let's just have to resume traveling here. I'd like here also to take this great opportunity to just thank or express our sincerest gratitude to our relatives or family here in Tacloban for your warm welcome, your kindness and love, at wala akong sawang pagpapakain at pagpapatuloy sa amin sa kani-kanilang mga residents. Kahit po ay marami kami. Once again po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At lalo na po na nagkaroon ng bagyo at stranded ho kami for a couple of days. Nako, I'm sure mamumulubi ho kayo sa amin. Malakas ho kaming kumain, ano? Just kidding about it. Thank you so much once again to each and every one of you there. Sa mga pasalubong ho, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Tignan na lang ang kuwan sa Malaysia. Diretso na lang to. Oo, okay. Pwede mag-stop. Di ba? Lang? Dyan na. Dyan na sa Manoko. Ang pasahero. Wala ka na. Oo, yung sakyan.
Tawag po kayo.
Ito. Inainay lang. Kaya.
Pwede mag-back si Joy. Huwag na lang. Sa sasakyan na lang mo. Tapos picture na lang mo.
Malinaw gihapon siya.
Unfortunately, we didn't able to take photos of the bridge because we just passed by at around 6 o'clock p.m. na po. So it's night time, we won't be able to capture best views or photographs. So we decided to move along, proceed to our next destination or good spot. We will now pass again the San Juanico Bridge, but this time it's from Samar to Leyte. You know, it's terribly amazing to know that the only boundary Samar and Leyte archipelago is the crossing river along the ocean, and is certainly connected by this iconic bridge, San Juanico Bridge, which was built between 1969 to 1973. It's known for its engineering, stunning views, and historical significance. This is a gift to Imelda Marcos from our late great President Ferdinand Marcos, right? And is symbolizing the resilience for the Eastern Visayas region. This is a 2.16 kilometer arch-shaped bridge in the Philippines, and correct me if I'm not mistaken, it is being built by the Japanese engineer contractors, so evidently the structure is very strong. Even the most strongest typhoon in the Philippines that has an international name of Typhoon Haiyan, and that was the one of the strongest tropical cyclones ever recorded struck in the Philippines. But in however instance, you can thoroughly imagine that the structure is still standing. So talagang matibay ho at subok na po ito. Ilang bagyo man po ang dumaan. Napakaraming panahon. Still, nananatili hong nakatayo ito, ano? So even ourselves, we're very thankful kasi po ay napapakinabangan ho natin for decades now, and it's very useful to transfer goods and commodities. It is one of the reason why umunlad ho talaga ang kabuhayan ng mga mamamayan dito, no? Or the Filipino throughout the Philippines. But unfortunately, just recent situation, nagkaroon po ito ng mga bitak, and continuously kung hindi po maagapan, the bridge is about to collapse. Kaya nga, bago pa mangyari yan, yung local government nila dito ay nagkaroon po ng strict implementation po talaga, as I mentioned earlier. And in fact, I saw the news just the other month. Our present President of the Philippines, BBM, is personally came here and presided the program for rehabilitation of this bridge. They put some support structures or the part of the bridge that has weaker beams or fragile structures that has instability, making it prone to breaking, okay? O kaya lalagyan ho nila talaga ito ng panibagong support. Karoon po sila ng mga veterano pong manggagawa dito, at saka pinakita ho yung mga talagang nire-repair po nila. Kaya as a result po is 2 ways na po at a time tayo. 2 ways na po tayong nakadaan dito. So hindi na ganong matraffic, ano. So when passing by here, it's just only light vehicles pa rin po. Unfortunately, wala pa rin ho yung mga trucks or buses. Alright? So we just have to preserve this very iconic bridge in the Philippines today. The San Juanico Bridge. Alright?
Two hours later.
Ay, hindi naman dito sa una.
Paistoryahan na di day morning. Siling radyo bumbo, para yung palakat ng barko.
Welcome to my guys. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. We are having a breakfast lunch here in Stephanie. Okay. Heavy lunch. Magkalisod ni panihapon na ni Ritso. Kuya Bert. Ito ni panihapon na ni Ritso. The only buffet restaurant here in Tacloban City is called Stephanie Smokehouse. Stephanie Smokehouse. Ito yung pangalan, no? Stephanie Smokehouse. What can you say about eating your breakfast lunch here in Stephanie, Kuya Jeff?
There is a terrific, wonderful experience that we had today. Even though it's there's a typhoon outside, but here is a cozy and it's very delicious food. You are very much welcome to go here.
Okay. Joy, ito yung masabi, Joy. In English sa Joy.
Nagdugo ako dito.
Joy.
It's burgers.
Paul, siya masabi.
It's gastronomic.
Ah. Tinigning. Yola, siya masabi. Oh, that's why stranded kami kasi nga sa bagyong Basyang. Ayan. Mga red na yan. Nakikita niyo yung red na yan. Okay, it's all done na po kami dito sa Stephanie Smokehouse. Si Sir, yung may-ari. Dito kami, yay! Ito yung buffet. Halos walang laman na rin. Yung mga pagkain. Yung malaking tao na yan, oh. Birds, busog birds o busog?
Busog tayo.
So we are here in the house of Kuya Bert and Ate Dalisay. Pero hadlok kayo diri guys. Wow. Dagan kasi lag doggy. Daghan nagdoggy diba? Kana sa iro eh.
Anong butan o? Magdudol na sa kuakan. Di ka ni taka ano no ka nagpapalabang na taka amin.
O gani. Anak ko si Mapia. Ani.
Nagtilap.
Mara baboy. Dogi na mara baboy.
Dan, tumawag ko.
Unlock kayo ba? Unlock lang kanina ako na-unlock.
Tapos pag
Unlock ka lang na Kuya Bert. Unlock kayo.
hindi man na. Atong mo sa ang
Si Kuya Jeffrey, giihian. Giihian si Kuya Jeffrey.
Patag ko, butray ko patag og luto ka swerte daw nga ihian ka. Oh. Please, swerte ko daw.
Ang pangalan? Memorize pati. Kasi pangalan.
Ay, ala.
Ang pangalan mo?
Ala ni Rakuan.
Oh, Aleralia. Ay, Aleralia ni Muna Ilumayan.
Ada mga pangalan.
Jojo.
Dili. Tagsa daw tana. Balik kanang ako hutod gyud ako na karon. Ya Kuya Jeffrey hutod gyud niya.
Dapat di pa sa kanya nakuan.
At kini gawin pangalan.
Wala katiyo boy ana. Nay katiyo boy.
Ala, inom ninyo.
Ala. Tiyo, sorry kay Tiyo kay imnon daw namo ang imuha. Wala pa man ni sa una kani katong diri ko. Wala pa ni. Wala pa ni diri oh.
Naana ni. Ang karton wala.
Ang katong wala. Kani na ana ni no. Ana ni siya.
Nahuman na ni Pen. Ha? Nahuman na lagi. Wala pa.
Dako apo di ani eh.
2 years ago. Itong bilhin na.
Kuya Bert, maghimo tag simbahan ako pastor kana diha na diha. Diha. Oh. Okay. Ba karon magkuan na ka katong Stephanie ato tong kanon rekruton.
Ito, lay minister to.
Oh.
Punta ninyo.
Ngayon ni akala kapon magsumba na lang daw dili.
Total retire naman ka. So muna lang nato ang kwadron. Ako'y pastor. Tapos si Kuya Jeffrey muna tong kolektor.
Hindi mo nga po ninyo yung lugar sa natin katong among ganian.
Mao ni siya.
Ha?
Gamay lang siya tanaw sa gawas day no. Ate Gang, pwede na ka mag-concert di Ate Gang. Na kay stage oh. Di naman ni si Ate Gang mo kanta basta way stage. Wah, inom sa siya.
Tapos yun na namin mga chilas. Grabe, sa kalasina.
Yun lang.
Wala sad may iring diri.
Wala, bakit? Mas yung sa mga suti di pati.
Ate Dalisa, sige na siya dikit yung isa.
Makaraod.
Kaulaw.
Kaulaw.
po, pero kay mga paman mo, mga pamilya man, no? Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang, pamilya man.
So, ngayon ay magtutour tayo sa bahay nila Ate Dalisay. I can observe a lot of dogs. Mahilig si Ate Dalisay sa dogs. Walang kitty meow. Kaya lang hindi pa ito gawa. So ay future room din ito. So, here meron tayong accommodation here. Ang sala accommodation for the other house. And we do also have a stair papuntang taas nito. So let's go. Itutour tayo sa helipad doon sa taas. Pero hindi pa ito gawa. So pasensya na po for the inconvenience.
So ako mo saka dito sa taas para kuha ng kuan.
Okay.
Bawawan niya nila ng painit.
Ano ba lang ang
Oo.
There is a shortcut to other dimension. Sabi ni Ate, meron daw daanan from other dimension. Okay. So it's better to stay here because it's so relaxing, right?
sige.
Okay, for the meantime, tingnan natin itong CR. This is the CR. Pero guys, ang kanilang exit door doon may butas ng ahas, bali diyan ang pupunta ang ahas siguro.
Hindi. Yan gusto kong sirain ang ako gagawing kaanan. Skip ang nila.
Okay, so get ready to go upstairs. Let's go upstairs right now. So this is going up to the second floor of this house. So we could see some structures right here. Okay. So ito po ang kabuuan nitong bahay na to. Very nice. Actually, makikita mo dito from the other side of this house is yung mga mountainous area na yan. And mayroong bikes. They're waiting for us, okay? This is 3 structures, 3 rooms ahead. And then, hey, what are you doing there?
Dito, sa secret. Ng master.
Hindi, kay Herbie na. Kay Herbie.
Ito.
May mga
Sila, auntie ko, hindi na natulog mga taga-basay, taga-tungang bilangan ni...
So kinatulugan na gini diri.
Sana may mga aircon, pwede matulog.
pwede na gitay diri oh.
Pwede mo na matulog diri. Dako man day oh.
Dako gani.
Kaya lang ang lisod lang ang iro.
Gawas, 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 gawas.
Mani siya yan, no?
Ngi sa imo.
Hala, hala. Diri sila.
Dito mga tayo daghan.
Dira, kilid. Secret.
Secret passage.
That's the secret passage.
Here. Oh, if you want to go upstairs,
Dapat dyan.
there is still upstairs. Go upstairs now.
Kani kang ano ni kay Ernie ni kay Ernie. Kasi nung usaka kay iyang tapos na silo. Master. Kani kay Ernie.
Okay, this is the rooftop. So from here, from this point, makikita mo lahat. Okay. So at least nakapag-tour tayo sa kanilang bahay. Alright. Rooftop. Rooftop. Okay, let's go, folks.
So let's go back downstairs.
Dito gapin siya sa baba.
Saka mo dito sa rooftop. Kuya Bert's lounge here. Paghantag.
Dito sa Tutulyo kan kaya dito sa Kalamares.